In 1939, a pivotal year in human history. While the world was on the brink of war, an enigmatic group of scientists in Germany embarked on a journey that defied the laws of physics and reality as we know it. This is the story of the strangest experiment in German history. In the tranquil town of Hechingen, nestled in the picturesque Swabian Alb region, a clandestine laboratory was established. Its purpose? To delve into the realm of teleportation. Yes, you heard it right. The Nazis were attempting to crack the code of teleportation, a concept that had long been consigned to the pages of science fiction. The man at the helm of this bizarre endeavor was Dr. Ronald Richter, an Austrian-born physicist with a questionable past and an insatiable curiosity for the unknown. He was commissioned by the German Army's Ordnance Office to lead a top-secret research project known as Die Geoleitforschung, or escort research. The goal? To develop a teleportation device capable of transporting matter from one location to another instantaneously. The implications were staggering. If successful, this technology would have revolutionized warfare and granted the Third Reich unparalleled dominance. But here's where things get truly strange. In 1942, after months of meticulous research, Dr. Richter and his team made a shocking discovery. They claimed to have successfully teleported an object, a small metal sphere, from one chamber of the lab to another. The event was documented in great detail in official records, now housed in the National Archives in Washington, D.C. However, days after this breakthrough, Dr. Richter and his entire team vanished without a trace. No bodies were ever found, no explanations given. Their disappearance remains one of the most enduring mysteries of WW-era science. In the aftermath, the lab was sealed off by the German army, its secrets locked away for over half a century. It wasn't until the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 that investigative journalists were able to gain access, revealing a trove of classified documents detailing the project's astonishing progress and eerie conclusion. Despite numerous theories ranging from Allied sabotage to alien abduction, the truth behind Die Geoleitforschung remains shrouded in mystery. What happened to Dr. Richter and his team? Did they truly succeed in teleporting an object, or was it all a clever hoax? These questions continue to haunt historians and scientists alike, serving as a chilling reminder of the strange and often frightening intersection between science and secrecy. As we delve deeper into this enigma, prepare yourself for a journey through the annals of history, where fact meets fiction, and reality is left questioning its own boundaries. Welcome to The Lost Lab, where uncovering suppressed inventions, classified experiments, and hidden science isn't just our job, it's an obsession. In the shadowy world where science and secrecy intersect, few stories are as enigmatic and chilling as the strangest experiment in German history. This is a tale of genius manipulated for nefarious purposes, of minds both brilliant and morally blind, and of a dark legacy that still casts its spell over those who dare to unearth it. The central figure in this story is Dr. Silling. Wernher von Braun, a prodigiously talented rocket scientist whose name would become synonymous with space exploration in post-war America. However, his earlier years were spent in the service of the German military, developing weapons under the watchful eye of SS General Hans Kammler. Kammler was an enigmatic character even among the high ranks of the Nazi regime. He oversaw some of the most notorious projects in Hitler's war machine, including the construction of concentration camps and secret weapon factories. Among these was the development of the V-2 rocket, led by von Braun at the Peenemünde Army Research Center. But there was another project, far more bizarre and disturbing, one that has largely been erased from official records and public memory. It's known today only as the Seventh Sign or Project 12. The few documents that have survived suggest it involved experiments with mind control, psychotropic drugs, and potentially even paranormal phenomena. Who were the masterminds behind this project? Besides Kammler and von Braun, we find names like Dr. Diga, Sigmund